named Teresa. She is 23 years old. And now Teresa will show us differences between Asian and African elephants. Yeah? Teresa, come on in please. Okay, big applause for Teresa. One of our small elephants right here. Okay. Yep, are you ready, Teresa? Okay, so now Teresa will show us differences between Asian and African elephants, yeah? So the first we're gonna see from their trunk. For the Asian elephants, they have one finger on the top of their trunk, while for the African elephants, they have two fingers on the top and on the bottom of their trunk. Okay, the second one we're gonna see from their tusks. For the Asian elephants, only male have a long and strong tusk, and the female have short and small tusks. While for the African elephants, both male and female have a long and strong tusk. Okay, the third one you see from their front legs. Okay, so for the Asian elephants, they have 5 hard nails. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. While for the African elephants, they have 4 hard nails. Okay, the last one we're going to see from their hind legs. Okay, and up here, let's Teresa. Okay, so for the Asian elephants, they have 4 hard nails. Yeah, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. While for the African elephants, they have 3 hard nails. Okay, so there was a performance from Teresa. Best regard from her by lifting the trunk. Okay, Teresa. Thank you very much. Good job for Teresa. Thank you. Okay, and our best regard we have visited here to Bali Safari and Marine Park. We invite 3 adults to come up to the stage because Teresa will give you something special, yeah? 3 adults, 1 from this side, 1 from this side, and 1 from this side. Gonna choose you? 1 from this side? Yeah, the lady?